So this is a 2-row repeat pattern, and you can use whichever colours that you want, but I wanted to go for something that was very distinctly different for both sides. For your first row, you want to start by doing a forward knot, two more forward knots, and then I want to do 3 backward knots. For the second row, you want to ignore the first and last threads, and then I want to do a forward backward knot, another forward backward knot, another forward backward knot, and then 2 backward knots. And for row 3, you want to repeat what you did for row 1, and you basically want to repeat these 2 knotting sequences for these rows all the way down until you get the bracelet as long as you want it. Although your threads won't be back in the original order, you will copy the same knotting sequence all the way down.